Hi everyone, and welcome to Mastering English Zone. If you're ready to improve your language skills, you are in the right place. So, let us get started. This story is about a pizza delivery guy who discovers a game-changing invention that could revolutionize the way pizzas are delivered. With the help of cutting-edge drones, he becomes a local hero and changes delivery systems worldwide. Find out how his idea transformed the town of Pizzaville and beyond in this narrative. So, let us begin. Drones deliver pizza. In a not-so-distant land, in a quiet little town called Pizzaville, something really exciting was about to happen in the pizza delivery world. There was a pizza delivery guy named Max who was tired of rushing through traffic just to bring people their hot pizzas. Little did he know, his life was about to change forever. One sunny day, Max saw a strange-looking flying machine above him while he was driving his scooter. It wasn't a normal flying machine. It had a bright red logo that said Pizza Air on it. Max was so curious that he decided to follow it. The flying machine led Max to a fancy pizza place called Fut-You Pizza. The owner, Mr. Johnson, was a really interesting guy who loved inventing things. He had been working on a system to use drones to deliver pizzas, hoping it would change the pizza industry. Max was really intrigued and went to talk to Mr. Johnson. He explained that his drones were super high-tech and could bring the pizzas straight to people's houses, without a delivery person. Max wasn't sure about it at first, but Mr. Johnson promised him that the drones had the best technology to avoid obstacles and get the pizzas to people quickly. Max was really excited to try out this new way of delivering pizzas, so he agreed to be the first drone delivery coordinator for Fut-You Pizza. He had to go through a lot of training to learn how to control the drones and make sure the pizzas got to where they needed to go. After a while, people in Pizzaville started hearing about the amazing drones delivering pizzas. Suddenly, everyone wanted their pizza delivered by a drone. The demand got really big, and Max had to coordinate lots of drones to bring pizzas to everyone. People in the town loved this new way of getting their pizzas. They would listen for the sound of the drones and get really excited knowing their delicious hot pizza was on its way. The drones would fly really fast and deliver the pizzas really gently. Max became a local hero as the drone delivery coordinator. People would cheer for him when they saw him driving his scooter and leading the fleet of drones. He was really proud to be a part of this cool change and loved seeing how happy people were when their pizza arrived by drone. The success of Fut-You Pizza spread, and other towns started using drones for deliveries too. Max's idea changed the way deliveries were done worldwide, not just for pizza, but for all kinds of things. Max's work made life easier for everyone and helped reduce traffic, pollution, and delivery times. His dream of making a better, more efficient way to get pizzas delivered came true and made a big impact on people in Pizzaville and beyond. So now, whenever people in Pizzaville think of getting pizza delivered, they think of the drones that changed everything. It's a symbol of progress and innovation, and it will always be remembered in the history of Pizzaville and the future of deliveries. Finally, if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell, so you never miss an update. If you have any suggestions, please don't hesitate to leave them in the comments section below. Thank you so much for joining us today. Goodbye.